This is a zigzag. Now 2 zigzags.
Baby, that's all we need. Come on.
Baby, that's all we need. Now these here are a type of redbud tree called the Zig Zag Redbud. And they're a cultivar of the eastern redbud, and every year the poor people that have to grow these trees painstakingly twist them left and right as they grow up. I'm just kidding. This is actually a totally natural mutation that happened to these trees that will cause them to grow, and then as they develop a new bud, it will grow to the right, and then the next one will grow back to the left, causing this zigzag pattern all the way up the trunk and even on the branches. Here, take a look at this. All the way up the trunk, up these branches, even out onto these lateral branches, it still has that pattern. Now, like all redbuds, these are going to lose their leaves in the wintertime, and then the first thing they do in the spring is they get covered in those really cute pink blooms that kind of look like pea blooms. And as those blooms will fall off in the spring, it'll then be followed up by some nice green leaves that are in a heart shape. But this zigzag pattern makes this tree interesting at all months of the year because even when it doesn't have those blooms or leaves on it, you can still see the really unique architectural feature of that zigzag pattern on the trunk and branches, especially as this tree matures and starts to get larger with even more branches. These will grow up to 10 to 15 feet tall, and they will grow best in a partial shady spot, or if you give them enough water, they can take full sun. So go ahead and zigzag your way over here. Pick one up.